Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to bake potato wedges. So we have here in front of us 12 of the potatoes that's been scrubbed and washed and dried and cut into 8. So you cut into half and quarter and then 8 of the potato in lengthwise. And we have all these spices here. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of herbs, mixed herbs, and about half cup of olive oil. And here we got sweet chili sauce and sour cream. I've mixed in here 3 teaspoons of chili sauce and 3 teaspoons of sour cream mixed in for the dip, or you can just have it by itself with the sour cream. If you don't have, if you have fresh parsley, you can put in fresh parsley instead of the mixed herbs. So firstly, we're going to switch on the oven at 200 degrees Celsius at fan bake. Remove the rack to the top of the oven, and we're going to line the baking tray with baking paper. So we're going to add in about half cup of olive oil and all the different spices. We got here 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, turmeric powder. Okay, so we're going to put it all in. Then we have 2 teaspoons of salt, and we have 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. If you have fresh parsley, you can do fresh parsley instead of the mixed herbs. I don't have any fresh parsley today, so I'm using the mixed herbs. So just mix everything in really well. Make sure it's all covered while the oven is heating up. This recipe will fit up to 8 people, so you can just adjust accordingly. It's all mixing well now. So now we're gonna put it on the baking tray and bake. So now it's all mixed in, the wedges and the baking tray is being lined with baking paper, so we're just going to put it all in. Make sure it's all lined properly in just one single layer, not overlapping, so it will cook properly. You might have to use 2 lots. You have a small oven. We have a big oven, so we normally do a lot of bulk baking, and especially with a big family. Yeah. Okay, so now it's all ready. You can just put in the oven. The oven, make sure you preheat at 200 degrees, and we're going to bake it now. So just put it in the oven now. The oven is heated up. And we're going to leave it on for about half an hour. Checking the wedges, make sure it's cooked. It's nearly brown, so soft, a bit brown more. So maybe another 10 minutes. So here's our baked wedges all ready to be served. We have here the sour cream with the sweet chili sauce and just the sour cream. So enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video, and hope to see you next time. Remember to like, subscribe,